These don't look too good. How about the other one? No. Let's see what I can do. All right, let's get some painter's tape on here. All right, we got your orbital buffer, the lubricant, clear coat, compound. Start by taping off the headlight. All right, once you got your pad all lubed up and with your compound on it, go ahead and start working this headlight. All right, now that we got it all buffed in, let's go ahead and start. That's crazy. The difference is insane without even the finished product. It already looks 100 times better than the other side. So now let's work on the. All right, now that we've got it buffed, it's not even cleared yet. Looks already 100 times better compared to this side. All right, now we're gonna use any clear coat just to give it a shiny protection. I'm gonna go 2 or 3 light coats so they can dissolve pretty nice. Just give it about a minute or 2 in between coats. Let's get to work on the next one. Show her the difference. Mira esa luz. La luz ahí. Mira la otra.
Ay, sí, como nueva.
All right, here's the other side done. So a light coat of clear. I think this actually shows up better than a lot of coats. Kind of like this one's a little bit more hazy, but not hazy, but more. All right, here's the finished result on both headlights. It's a different car.